Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about how we're going to factor a basic quadratic trinomial where the a value is 1. In other words, the leading coefficient is just a 1 and is usually not written in front of the letter x. For example, x squared minus 10x minus 24. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find numbers that multiply down to a negative 24, but at the same time they're going to combine to a negative 10. And I just drew this X over here to kind of organize my thought process. So remember, multiply down to a 24 and then combine up to a negative 10. So if you notice, I chose a 12 and a positive 2. The reason why my 12 is negative and my 2 is positive is, remember, a positive times a negative multiplies to a negative number, which is our negative 24. And remember, when we combine, 2 and a negative 10 or a negative 12 are going to combine to a negative 10. So those are the key numbers that I need. So I'm going to draw my parentheses. I'm going to split up the x squared, and x is going to go here, and then an x is going to go in the other set of parentheses, and we just put those exact numbers in. That is it. That is in factored form. Let's go ahead and take a look at this example. 2x squared minus 14x plus 24. First of all, every single number is even, which means there's a GCF here. I know I can factor out a 2. So let me go ahead and divide this out. Okay, we have factored out a 2 here. So now what I'm looking for is numbers that combine to a negative 7 that multiply to a positive 12. So let me list all the possible ways to multiply to get to a 12. So the 12 needs to be positive, which means those signs are going to be the same. And the magic set there is going to be 3 and 4 because a negative 3 times a negative 4 is going to multiply to make a positive 12, but at the same time, it's going to combine up to make a negative 7. Don't forget that 2 out in front. And then just split up your x squared and drop them in 2 sets of parentheses. So this trinomial factors to what we just boxed in.